Okay, I gave the questions from the exercise 4.3 you may see, right? And in these, how many questions are the topic was there? Representation of linear equation, representation of linear equation in the graphical form, right now? Means drawing the graph of linear equation. Is that clear? Just like I'm writing here 2x and 2x, solution I'm giving you that 1, 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. This is a typical relationship is there right now. So it's writing clearly appearing on the screen right now. So 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. This is an equation. This is a relationship between the two terms are. One of the term is written to the left and the other term is written right? And the questioner is saying that solve the equation. But the questioner is saying solve the equation and represent them on a number line and on a Cartesian plane. Do you know the number line? Single line you will draw. At the center of that you will take a 0, and right of the 0 you will take positive numbers, and left to the 0 you will take the negative numbers. Is that clear? Thus this representation is called number line. Clear? And such two number line you will take perpendicular to each other, intersecting at 0 point. Then this representation is called Cartesian plane. This is called Cartesian plane. Okay. So here an expression is given to you that represent the solve the equation and represent them on number line. If number line means number line has only one variable, you can represent the value of x only on that. Y is not present. But the questioner is saying represent the line, represent the graph, represent the line, represent the equation on a Cartesian plane. It means the two coordinates you have to represent. Abscissa also you have to represent and ordinate also. Is that clear right now? So first we need to solve the equation. And what is the method of solving the equation? That time you use your transfer. Okay, actually transfer is not in the operation is there. Is that clear? However we do this, either side of addition, either side of equal sign, we add, we subtract, we divide and we multiply. Is that clear or not? Right? So what here is this? So obviously the x-axis to the right side. So transfer 2x to the left and the numerical value to the right. Is that clear? This is the first expression. Clear? This x is transferred to the left and this one is transferred to the right. What next will you have? Please tell me. 2x minus x is 1x and it's minus 4. This can also be written as x plus 4 is equal to 0. This we brought here an equation in what? Equation in one variable. We want to represent this one number. So we'll take the help of this. Clear? So what the question is saying? Suppose the question is saying represent this first in one variable. Okay? In one variable. One variable representation. One variable representation means obviously this is a number line will be drawn in this. Okay, and it's what 0 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 furthermore. Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? X plus 4, x is equal to minus 4 is also there. It's minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. Is that clear or not? So this is the representation of that we have represented here. X is equal to minus 4 is there. Clear? Now it's completed here. Means we are showing where minus 4, x is minus 4 is lying. So it's lying left to the 0. Is that clear or not? Now second. The second is what? In two variables. In two variables. Two variables means we have to represent this on the Cartesian plane. As you told me this, okay? It's this here. Means the same thing we have to do. However, you will speak, sir. You will speak that, and you will ask that, sir, y is not given in the terms and the equation. Then how can we represent y? Obviously, if there are present only values of x, if there is present only value of x, then where the y is to be there, and where the y is to be represented. Obviously, if only x present, then what about y?
Y was present in there.
If x is present as a term, as value, and y is not presenting here, it means
We
what
have
does
to
this mean?
find the one.
No,
Y was actually present.
the coefficient actually of the y actually would have been 0 here, so it made 0 the y term. Clear? I'm telling this, the standard form is there. Is this standard? This is in one variable. In two variable form, what will you have, please tell me? In two variable form, it is 1 is the coefficient of x, and where the y gone? 0 into y, and plus 4 is equal to 0. Actually, this is the representation in two variables. Is that clear? It's a two variable representation. Again, it's a 0 0. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 furthermore also. It's 1 2 3 4 5. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5. It's 1 2 furthermore about y also. Is that clear? Now please speak at this. So where the x is, the value of x is minus 4. Right now the value of x is minus 4. Here this is the minus 4. Clear? Minus 4. And all y are here 0. So obviously the line will proceed in this direction. It's a two variable. Y is fixed, x is fixed here. X is fixed, that is minus 4. Y is varying. Y is varying, it may be here. But y is not being represented here because its coefficient made 0 here. Why the value of y is not 0 here?
Its coefficient.
Its coefficient would have 0. That's why it made the whole term 0. But y is varying. This is supposed as. So this is the representation in two variables. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
So the two tasks we have done here. First, you have solved the equation in one variable, and you have represented the equation in graphical form in one variable form and two variable form. These typical questions are important. Most of the time in test assessment this question comes here. Right now you may see on the screen here 4.4, like question number 1. Give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3. I have represented x is equal to minus 4. Can you represent as a y is equal to 3? The horizontal line you drawn here, and what you will draw for one variable? Vertical line only, because it's given y is equal to 3, not x is equal to 3. So can you do this or not? And the second is also here. First question, that give the geometrical representation of. So please resolve the question number 4.4 first. Solution number 2 we are using. Exercise 4.3.
4.4, sir.
4.4. Solution number what? Solution number 1. Okay, please go and solve it. Since y is equal to 3. This is the representation. Y is equal to 3. And we are to represent this in the geometrical form. Okay, so start representing this. What you will do first? In one variable. In one variable form. This is, it's 0 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Furthermore, y is equal to 3. So this horizontal line is called x, and we have to represent this along y axis. Along y axis this has to be represented. So how can we do this?
Vertical.
Vertical lines to be found. Okay, x horizontal line will not draw. This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's minus 1, it's minus 2, it's minus 3, it's minus 4, minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is that? Y is equal to 3. So this I'm talking about, y is equal to 3. We have represented y is equal to 3. This is the representation along y axis in one variable. Okay. Second, in two variables. here you will do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so what is that? Y is equal to 3. This is y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So along the x variations also to be represented. Means it will proceed to the right for the x. This y. The reason is that the equation is here what? Y is equal to 3. It can be written as x is not present, so x coefficient would have been 0, and the coefficient of y is this. Okay, and this y is to be transferred to the right. Now this is the representation of linear equation in two variables. Is that clear? Well understood you? So the important thing in about the representation is the coefficients of one of the variables would have become 0. This made the y term or x term 0 right now. So here is this, the variation of that will continue. Similarly, you can do the second question. Please note, second question is your home assignment. Please will do that. Done? The second question also you can do. But the second question, exercise 4.4, question number second. Give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 3, 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So can you write for that? 2x plus 9 is equal to 0.
We will solve the equation.
Same you will do with this. Is that clear?
Of question.
X will be here. 9 is to be transferred to the right. Minus 9 and divided by 2s. So minus 9 by 2. 4.5 there. Okay. And second in two variables.
By 0.
The same here. What you have done. Okay. The two coordinates, the Cartesian plane you will draw. X and y along, clear, and further also to be done there. Okay. Now I have opened the questions. Text your study middle. Okay. Send question and please open that. All the questions according to your textbook now finished. Your chapter. Is that clear? According to your textbook. And the second question your home assignment is. You will do please. Now we'll solve some more extra questions in your study middle. Please open the study middle. Chapter number 4. And we just have to proceed our study toward the previous year section. You may open this previous year section. Keep open the study middle. Previous year examination question, the page number 10. Okay, in the study middle. What the question is saying here?
Yes.
What the question is saying? First question. Please see the first question. Find the value of my a. Find the value of a. If minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1 is a solution of equation. Can you solve this or not? What the first question is there? First question of the 1 mark here, okay? 1 mark question. It's a minus 1, 1, okay? And here is 3x minus ay is equal to
Minus
5.
1 is a representation in
Yes.
Cartesian.
Yeah, no, listen here. What the question is saying? Find the value of a. Find the value of a. A you have to find out. This is an equation. 3x minus ay is equal to 1. And it's saying minus 1 plus 1 is a solution. What is the meaning of the solutions of any equation? Means solutions of equation means the value of x and y. Value of x and y which satisfy the equation. If we'll substitute this value to the left side of the equation, then the right side will come here. Is that clear? But here the unknown terms is a, so unknown term will come here this, so it's called the satisfactions. So any coordinate is the solution of, is a solution of any equation. It means what? Means on substituting the value of x and y in that equation, it will satisfy. The meaning of satisfaction, right and left term will come equal. Clear? So you will write down here, since minus 1 and plus 1 is a solution. Minus 1 and plus 1 is a solution. That is, what will be this? 3 minus 1 and a plus 1 is equal to 5. Now can you solve this expression? What will come in this term? It's a minus 3 and minus a is equal to 5. So minus a is equal to 5 plus 3. Minus a is equal to 8, or also a is equal to minus 8. It means if you will substitute minus 8 in place of a, it will give the, it will satisfy the equation. Okay, this is the technique. And what type of questions? This typical questions comes in examination for 1 mark only. Clear? Now see the second question. If 3a 3 1 is a solution of equation, find the value of a. Same type questions
Yes.
right now. So this will also you have saying, I hope you can solve this question. Please proceed the next year. Verify that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 is a solution of linear equation. Is a solution of linear equation.
We have to put the
Value of x and y. The same is here. Means one operation is there to substitute the value of x and y in the equation. Same typical questions are here. Is that clear? Now question number 4 you must see. If x is 3, y is 2, minus 2 is a solution of equation, then find value of k. Don't you think the questions are all 4 are of the same type?
Yeah.
Actually every year this question would have been asked one by one. The pattern is same here right now. Now see the question of 2 mark.
Question number 2, 3 and 4 I know.
No, even the same pattern is here. What you will do that? New question you will solve. Okay. What next is? Draw the graph of equation x minus 2y is equal to 0. Draw
This is given in our book also.
Draw the graph of equation x minus 2y is equal to. So graphical representation. It's a 2 mark question.
So you have given this in test.
Yes, I have given this in the test. You are right.
Yeah.
X minus 2y is equal to 0. We are to draw the graph of the equation. How can we draw the graph? We'll bring a slope. First we'll obtain the at least 3 solutions. We'll obtain at least 3 solutions. So what you will do here is nice. So y is x is to be transferred here. It's 2y minus x. Minus minus is to multiply here. This 2y is equal to positive x and y is equal to what? 1 by 2x. Is that clear now? So different values of x to be put here to obtain the, how many solutions we obtain? 3 sets of solution. So what is the method of 3 sets of solution? So here the term is very easy. The term is very easy. So not need to solve in the detail. If x is 0, then what y will come here. The mechanism of solution is not necessary to give. Okay. However, sometime when the expression is quite complex or difficult it is, then you can show, you can give the solutions, how you found the solution. Okay. But here it's not necessary. Right now, it's what? X and y. It's a 0 if you will put. What y will come here? If in the place of x you will put 0, what y will come? Put 0 here. Half into 0? 0. If you will put here 2, obviously you have to put the multiple of 2's. Why?
Because
they will cancel the denominator and will give a whole number. Integer positive and negative will come. Clear?
1.
2 to cancel 1. And here in place of 4 is to be put. What is that here? 2 to cancels. What will come here? 2 will come here. Is that clear? So 3 sets of solution you found here. Now all the 3 sets of solution as coordinate you have to represent on the graphical Cartesian plane. Can you do this or not?
Yes.
This typical question is the second type. Now have a look at the question next. Question number 7. The cost of pen is 4 times the cost of pencil. Is that clear? This is the first question that you solved in the beginning of chapter. Okay, it's a word problem. The two tasks are here, students to do. First, what? Conversion of equation in the symbolic form, algebraic form. The first marks is awarded for this activity, and the second is to solve the equation. Sometimes 3 mark questions comes from this section. First, you to convert the word problem into the symbolic or algebraic expression. Second marks is awarded for finding the solution, sets of solution, and third marks is awarded for representing the Cartesian, yes, coordinate in the Cartesian plane. Is that clear? Now look the question number 3. You need to solve the question number, sorry, 7. Have looked the question number 7. What does 7 question saying? Write any 4 solutions for each of them. Any 4 solution. How many solutions I found here? 3. So any one of you have to do. Similarly, the 8th question you also missing. Write one solution of each. One solution of each. Not the 4 is being asked. So please do the question number 8. You to solve here within 20 seconds. Please do. Question number 8.
So first one.
Both the questions to be solved. Question number 8. Solution 8. 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. You have to find out one solution. First equation is this, and second equation is this. One solution of each you have to find out. Please define.
So there is value, means coefficient of x and y both are given.
Coefficient of
First question. Yes, sir. Yeah.
coefficient of
X and y both are given.
both are given.
Yeah. See.
Where is it?
First.
Write any 4 solution. No, write one solution of each.
Yes.
One solution you have to give. What you are asking? One solution is to be given, only one solution, one value of x and y you have to find out. One solution, the question number this. First you are asking.
First, yeah.
One solution, it means 4x, sorry, let it remain written here 3y, 4x, and y is equal to minus 4 of x. Y is to be transferred. Y is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x. In the place of x, what you have to put? You can put the 0, 1, 2, 3 also, but it's good to put the value of x as multiple of 3. Why the multiple of 3 you will put here? If you put multiple of 3, then it will cancel and will bring a whole number. Right now? So put value 1 of that. If x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, then what y is? Therefore y is equal to
4
minus 4 by 3 into 3. What will here?
minus 4. 0 we will not take.
Y is equal to minus 4. No, you can take 0. I said already, you can take 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, but it's good to take the x as multiple of 3. Only one solution is to find out. So x is 3, then y is minus 4. So one solution is before you. 3 and minus 4. It is a one solution. This is the answer for that question. Clear? Similarly, you have to do the second. Have you done the second? Please do now this in the same way. Found?
2n minus 3.
Okay. The second, in the place, first you bring this in the slope form. What is the slope form? Y will remain here, okay? Minus y, 2x is to be transferred to the right,
Right.
okay? Minus y is equal to minus 2x plus 3, okay? And in the place of x, you'll put 0.
Minus 3 into
Yes?
3 into. No, 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Minus y minus 2x plus 3. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. In place of x, you will put 0. Okay? So if x is equal to 0, then what is y? 2 of 0 minus 3. It's a 0 minus 3. What will get this? Minus 3. So what the solution is? And 0 minus 3 is a solution. Is a solution. Clear? One solution can be found. Now, see the next question, please. Question number 9 of the same. Two
Question
pencils.
number 7.
Question number 7. The same. Write any 4 solution. Any 4 solution. Say you have to do. Yes, this is home assignment. Clear? Is that clear? And after completing my recording, you will just sit here 10 to 15 minutes and do the questions. You will complete them here only, right now. It's not need to do this as home assignment. What the home? You are all along the staying at home. It's also home. However, question number 9 is here. The cost of 2 pencils is the same. Is same as that of cost of 5 eraser. So how can we represent this? The cost of 2 pencil is same as that of cost of 5 eraser. So what is unknown here?
Cost of pencil and cost of
Exactly. The cost of one eraser or pencil you don't know. So what you need to suppose as?
Cost of pencil and cost of eraser.
Exactly. Your first line will be let. The cost of one pencil, the cost of one eraser is x, and the cost of one pencil is y. Then what the case is? 2 pencil means 2 of y. Is means is equal to 5 of eraser, 5 of x. Right now, is this a standard form of equation? No. The question is now completed. So 2y is to be transferred here. So it shall be 2x, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the standard form of equation. What the question more saying here? Statement as linear equation in 2 variables. Yes. And you have to show this on the graph. How can you show? Is it saying express the statement as a linear equation in 2 variables? No, no. Only this task is. This is the 2 marks for the task. 2 marks. Question number 10. Write 3 solutions for each of them. Can you solve this or not?
What?
Question number 9.
Yes.
10. What is that? Write 3 solutions of the equation. 7x minus 8y is equal to 13. Can you do this or not? The last 11th question is also there. Similarly, 3 mark question you may see. Give 3 geometrical representation of the equation. Question number first of 3 mark. That is 12. See the 12th question.
Give the geometrical
In one variable and two variables. Same you can do. What you have done this in 4.3 exercise. Is that clear? Now look the question number 13 also. Ramesh is driving his car with a uniform speed 18 km per hour. Draw the time distance graph. From the graph find the distance traveled by him. Ramesh is driving his car with uniform speed. It's an interesting question. Uniform speed. Draw the time distance graph. You have to draw the time distance graph. How can we do this? Means along x you will take time and along y you will take distance. Ramesh is driving his car with uniform speed. Questions coming from uniform speed. So what is that? You have to draw the time distance graph, and the speed is given. The speed is given, and you have to draw the exactly. What you will do? Difficult question this is.
By that formula we can find.
Ramesh is driving his car with uniform speed. Draw the time distance graph from the distance in time. So how the speed is related with the distance in time? Question number 13 of 3 mark. Okay. Ramesh is driving. Do you know formula? Speed is equal to distance upon time. You may see. So speed is given, I think. Speed is what here? X. 80. What the distance is? Not given. So it can be written as x. And what the time is here? Sorry. This is independent. So time is 2. You can take here x. And the distance you can take y. So what will here this? Transfer to that side left. X 80x y. And further can be written as 80x minus y is equal to 0. Is this linear equation here?
Yes.
So this question was really difficult or tricky for you. How to think the two variables mentioning is not here. The two variables means you have to think of physics formula. Right now this. Can you represent this on the number line? In the place of x you will put 0. So y will be 0. And in the place of x you will put 1. So it will be 80. If you will put here 2, though it will be 160. 160. Is that clear? So your graphical representation will be modified. Here you will take kilometer per hour. Yes, kilometer per hour. You will take here 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. Here you will take what? 40, 80, 120. Okay. 160, 200, 250. This scale you will take. The scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you will not take here. Is that clear? This is that. Three things to be taught here. First is conversion is difficult here. Obviously, two variables is not given. So if this question will come in examination, most of the students will leave this. Clear? You complete this, please. You complete this solution. Note down this. Let here you will suppose. Let the distance is x. Let the time is x. Okay. Time interval is x, and the distance is y. Then the equation will here, and you have to represent on the graph paper. And you complete just now it is. Okay. S is equal to 80 by 80. 80 is equal to y by x in this. We will take the if x is equal to 0. Here you can put, okay. Then what is y? Y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1 hour, then y is equal to 80. And if x is equal to 2 hours, then y is equal to 80 minus 2, 160. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, oh sorry. 40, 80, okay, 120, 160, and here take 200, 240 furthermore. So 0 first point is coming, at 140 is coming, 80 or 40 coming, 80 coming. This is, and at 2 second 160 is coming there. Now joining this graph, draw a straight line. A straight line will come. This is the graphical representation for this. Okay, you complete this, uh, and after that also you need to solve the question number. The question problem number 16 you may see, the taxi fare in city. This is most important question, and I hope this question will come in your test assessment. Okay, so we'll complete the question number. Sorry, 18. Your assignment is 18 and 19. And all questions repeating this. Okay, thank you guys. Nice day. And to complete these questions.